Welcome to the show, everybody. No, I'm kidding. I am really tired though. If you guys can hear me and you guys can see me, welcome. If you guys can't hear me and you guys can't see me, I will work on the technical difficulties. But I'm glad to have you here. If you guys are new to the show, my name is Arty. This is Crypto Lunch. We're going to talk about cryptocurrencies, everything that's happening in the news today, all the biggest price changes, and what I think is going to happen with the industry as a whole, because I'm super intelligent and I know my stuff. Let me see. Okay, I am live. I have proof because I'm watching myself because I'm that narcissistic. I'm kidding. I'm not a narcissist. Maybe just a little bit. All right. So welcome, BJ. Nice to have you. Aaron, what up, bro? And Sketch. All right, so what is the title of this video? I forgot what I'm supposed to be talking about. Bitcoin to 40K, Crypto Lunch with Arty, episode 20. I can't believe we've already done 20 episodes. That's awesome. So, Bitcoin, people are saying that it's going to go to 40K. I think that's highly likely. Let's get rid of this, remove that indicator, take this to the 1 hour chart, and zoom it in a little bit. So, as you can see from my previous technical analysis, from this run up from $26,202 all the way up to, on January 3rd, 34,838. At that time, that was the high to low. We had a big fat rejection coming all the way down to the 764 level, and we are on our way up. If you guys recall, through previous videos that I've done on Fibonacci retracement levels, this would be your entry area, the 618 level, right? Your stop loss, you don't get it on the way down, you get it on the way up, right? So your stop loss would be set here at the 764 level, and your take profit one would be at the 0 level, which would be 34,782. That alone is an increase of 18.35% on one trade, which is phenomenal. But what I like to do when we hit take profit one is move my stop loss to break even from the 764. That's going to be your safe bet, or the 50 level. So once you do that, then your next take profit level is the 0.25, the minus 0.25. And that was at 36,978. And now we are kind of dancing on that level. Also, once that happens, you move your stop loss to take profit one. And then you're expecting to go up to take profit three if everything is going correctly. And that take profit three level is exactly at $40,000, $40,091 for me. But currently we are on this line right here. Now, why did I draw this line here at 37,599? Because that is a previous take profit two level, right? Because this was just a small retracement. This is on a huge time frame. So if we look at the daily, where I actually did that original technical analysis, we came up, and where was it? Boom, we had that retracement, and it was on the 382 level. So we're still on our way up. This is hitting two areas of resistance according to Fibonacci retracement levels. But I do not see why it won't go up to $40,000 and then surpass it to 45,198. Be aware, though. I'm going to get rid of all of these drawings. Be aware, though, that we are on a massive, massive parabolic spike. So if you think about this, say, we're looking, I'm going to negate this consolidation area and just go from here. So if we fib retrace this, right, and say this is the top and this is where we're going to retrace to, we could even come down to 24,000 or 22,500 or even 18,000. Cryptocurrencies have a tendency to have huge pullbacks in massive sell-offs, so this is a possibility right now. I don't like buying on the up climb. I like buying when it comes back down. Once it starts dropping dramatically and it passes the 236, then you're looking for which level it's going to retrace at, either the 382 if it's got serious bullish momentum. And by bullish moment, like this is a 45-degree angle, right? So like flat, 45, 90. 45 is nice, consistent growth. You could retrace to the 618 at this level. If it's got parabolic growth like this, it could retrace to the 382 because it's got so much momentum behind it. Currently, we are getting in between the two, right about there. So I don't see why a 382 level retracement wouldn't be acceptable, but it could also go down to the 50 level. So keep that in mind. Only get it on the leg up, not on the way down. It's dangerous to catch a falling knife because you could get hurt. So, Martin, I'm good. I'm tired, but I'm good. I still like Ethereum for holding. I don't know when we're going to see a crash. Be patient. Have money ready. So like put money into an exchange to buy crypto, right? And wait. Because like if you look at this area right here, let me get rid of that. If you look at this area of the pullback, right? So like when this is going on, everyone's like, oh no, Bitcoin's tanking, it's going to crap. But you are smart and you are anticipating this and you are watching Fibonacci levels and you're like, ooh, that's retracing on the 382 with a lot of momentum. I like that for a buy, and you buy and you win. Let's look at Ethereum really quick. There's one thing going on that I really don't like. Since January 5th, so 2 days, we have been on this very tight ascending channel. Now, if you guys recall my videos about channels, there tends to be breakouts, and these are breakout fake outs. So it came out, everybody started to short, market makers pulled it back in, stayed in this trend. But currently, right here, we are breaking through. Let me take this to the 5-minute. We broke through, retested, rejected, came back, a little bit of a breakout. This is where some people lost some money because they went long thinking it's going to stay in the channel, rejected out of the channel, and now we're not getting close to the channel anymore. So this could actually be an indication of a little bit of a dip, but we use other indicators, correct? Looking at the RSI, we were on this, small little downtrend. We broke through, we tested it, and now we're continuing up. So I think this whole break out of the channel is just to psych people out, to get them to start selling. And then the RSI is going to climb back up into the overbought area, and it's going to stop everybody out, and it's going to continue the uptrend. So this is a super dangerous trade. I would not risk it right now, but definitely keep an eye on it. I seriously, I work, I go home for a few hours, I play with my daughter, I come back to work, I do the second live stream, and then I go home and I respond to some emails, I try to catch up with some work, and then I literally die and go to sleep. But then I have to wake up at 5 to start it all over again, so, that's life, that's work, that's what you got to do. Dude, RSI 14 all day. SIA coin. Let's take it out to the daily. See what, whoa, those are some spikes. Fuck, how many percent is that? Yo, 85% in 2 days? Damn. That's crazy. Okay, so this is what I don't like. Ready? Previous high point. Next high point, fat rejection wicks on a daily candle, right? But if you look at the RSI, we were higher here on the RSI and now we are lower. RSI is a stronger indicator than price action. I don't know about you, but that looks like it's going in that direction. Whereas the price shows this direction. This is what we call a divergence, so we might actually be expecting a little bit of a pullback now. But that's if this rejects off of this trend line that I just drew. I don't know why trend lines just work. Like, you draw imaginary lines and the price tends to respect the trend lines and or break through the trend lines. For a great example, Ethereum. I drew this trend line, correct? That I just showed you guys. Just a random imaginary line. But I was watching it live and it broke through, retested, dumped down, retested, broke down, broke through. Like, it respects trend lines. Even though they're imaginary lines, it gives you a better idea of what's actually going on instead of just looking at a naked chart. Naked charts don't give you any information. Cardano, I want it to crash. Why? Low on the RSI, it might continue down a little bit, but then it's going to start climbing back up. It's altcoin season, guys, so keep that in mind. These prices will continue to climb 10 to 60%. So you can buy. That's funny. I mean, it depends on the size of your trade. Like, if you really look at this, you know, we're on the 15-minute chart right here. And if you take a fib retracement tool and you take it from the bottom here of that rejection to the top, we're currently retracing on a 764, but consolidating around the 50 level. So I would watch this if it starts breaking out above that, or if it double tests, and on the second leg up, you might be good for a long position. Yeah, so entry point, you know, wait for it. If it does start coming down, wait for it to come down, double test this 3058 level. And as it comes back up, get in on the 0.32 and go long, but definitely watch it. If it starts doing, you know, this, that's consolidation. You want to GTFO immediately. When I'm talking about rejections, guys, like, here's the misconception. Let me just remove this, remove my drawings. I'm just going to have a clear slate for you guys to see really quick, okay? So we have a clear slate. Price action is doing one of these numbers and then corrects back down, right? And if you draw a Fibonacci tool on this made up crap that I just did, you know, it's coming down to 764 level and it might reject. What I always like to look for is a touch or a pass, a rejection, and the double tap. You always want to go long on the second leg of a W. Second leg of a W. If, for example, it does this and you're like, oh, I'm ready for a buy, you know, no questions asked. And then it starts doing like this and like this and like this. Like, this is consolidation and there's no real rejection, because if it rejects at this level, that means that the bears, the sellers, ran out of steam and the buyers said, F you, we're going long. This is a rejection. This is consolidation and indecision in the market. You don't want to trade this. Get the GTFO immediately, okay? Let's talk about stocks. Somebody wants to hear about Tesla. Let me remove my drawings again. Do I even have Tesla on here? I think I have Tesla on here. Tesla. Of course I'm watching Tesla. What are you guys thinking? Kidding. Oof. I don't like stocks, dude. They're so sloppy, man. Okay. Your question is, what do you think of Tesla long-term investment? Tesla is the future of motoring. Tesla will every single electric car coming into the future will be using Tesla technology. It's like asking the future of Google. Everything's based on Google and Amazon's freaking cloud. So long term, if you're looking for 10, 20, 30 years on Tesla, star of approval. As far as Tesla goes, like their infrastructure and their distribution is like on point. So it's hard to battle with somebody that's already got it figured out. Okay, so that's enough of that. Let's go to Cointelegraph. And also, I don't know what happened yesterday with the 20,000 views on this live stream. All I can think is that, like, you know when you pull up the YouTube app and they have the little explore section, but it like automatically plays one of the top videos? Maybe I got on the explore section and like it was just like airplaying to some people. Because I Googled it. There's no way to like buy viewers. If that was a fact, everybody would be doing it. So I don't know what happened, but it was nice. I took that clip and I edited it up and I stuck it on Facebook because my reaction was hilarious when I watched it. Thanks, Eugene. Okay, so how massive Bitcoin buyer actively on Coinbase propelled Bitcoin price past 32. And that's easily doable by people that have deep pockets. Like if you have $150 million, you can move the market yourself. Bitcoin going parabolic towards 35K as Ethereum breaks 800. What is next? That's got to be a typo. The native cryptocurrency on Ethereum blockchain also surpassed 800. What? This is a typo. They really messed that up. YouTube star Mr. Beast with 50 million subscribers becomes a verified Brave browser publisher. Very interesting. UK crypto community reacts as FCA derivatives ban goes into effect. Understandable. Bitcoin's now within 10% of 40K. Dude, did you guys see what happened in America yesterday? First time in American history since like the colonial wars was the Capitol building breached, and it was done by a bunch of rednecks. Oh, that's crazy. It was chaos last night. I was surprised that currencies weren't really affected that much by that news. I think in America, it's just like a standard norm that weird crap happens. Something about COVID. Trump bans Chinese app payments, including Alipay and WeChat Pay. Way to go. Japanese okay, yeah, so I mean that's pretty much it. People are talking about Bitcoin hitting 40K. I would like, if you're looking for like a short opportunity, wait until there's 700 articles every single day on Bitcoin going up to 150,000, 200,000. That'll build a lot of hype, and that's what these big people need, is to build hype to collect some money for their short position. You know what I mean? Because you can't short it unless there's buyers. My friend has a gaming page with 200,000 likes, I guess. Want me to do... Dude, BJ, all day, man. share this wherever you can. I'll be a guest speaker on that gaming channel. We can get on the sticks, you know, play some Call of Duty. I don't know, World of Warcraft, whatever. I'm a gamer for sure. Ethereum is over that already. I think they. Okay, so currently, guys, we're not going to do a long short position today at the end of the show because the app is under construction right now. They're doing some maintenance, development, making it bigger and better. So that's going to be probably down for a few days. So apologize about the inconvenience if you guys were actively looking to trade today. But I do have good news. On the other hand, CoinsLoot is still running, and we are doing a live stream today. I'm going to be doing a deep dive demo into what's going on here. Just go on over to the website. It's linked down below. Check it out. Read about the project. Read the white paper. It's super short. I actually wrote it. I'm very proud of it. Cryptocurrency loot boxes. It's going to seriously revolutionize the industry. And once this takes off, every single major exchange is going to start copying our idea. But we are the first, so we are the best, and we will continue to be the biggest. There is going to be, starting tonight when I do my live stream at 8:30 p.m. Central European time, starting at that moment, we are doing a 25% bonus on loot coins purchased. So if you buy $40 or more of the loot coin, then you will get a 25% bonus. So your $40 investment turns to $50 just like that. And we've done this because a lot of people have been asking, because the bonus used to be for only $2,000 or more, you would get a 10% bonus. We're doing $40, you get a 25% bonus. This will help everybody invest into the project. It'll get more people on and it'll grow the platform. So we've made it accessible to everybody. It's good to have a diversified portfolio, right? So you have a bunch of Bitcoin, you have a bunch of Ethereum, and then you have a bunch of little altcoins. Everybody has $40 to invest. So this is a way to diversify your portfolio for a long-term project that is going to go like crazy wildfire. So $40 gets you a 25% bonus. And I think you'll get like 400 some odd loot tokens from that, which you stake on the contract and you make profits off of every single crypto loot box that's opened. If you want to invest, wait till tonight, get the 25%, but you're going to do it via the IEO on the CoinCasa website. That's the only place that you're going to get the bonus, not through the smart contract. So you click this blue button, buy tokens. These parameters right here will be changed, and it'll be, I think, 444 loot, and that's the minimum to get that 25% bonus. So it's the equivalent of $40. So there's already a link or already a live scheduled video for tonight. So if you haven't seen it already, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get that notification. You can search. It's going to be in the upcoming lives that we're doing. It's already up. So set a notification for that and then join us later tonight. If you guys are free, we're going to do a quick little chat about that. All right. I think that's pretty much it, unless you guys. Long short, not available. Long short's not available anywhere, Alien. It's just down right now. But if it's not available in your country, some people have told me that using a VPN helps. I don't know what VPNs are. I do not give any advice in such a manner. I own Bitcoin so far, made 300 profit. Should I? Oh yeah, Larry, hold that until you're gray and old, and then you can buy a yacht. Good morning, Count Zeppelin. It's afternoon for me, but good morning. Cool. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Don't forget to join me later tonight. Turn on notifications, and we will see you in, 1 o'clock? So 7.5 hours. I will be back on here. All right? Ciao, Bambinos. Bro fist.